Hello everybody, what's up YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Niggery Garage, where we always strive for 110% good enough. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, today is going to be an OG type install video. We're back at it again temporarily because guess who's back here? There he is, the man himself. The person whose car gets more watched on my channel than my car does.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Chilling. Let's get to work.
Yes. Okay, so tell me exactly what we're doing because I don't really.
Oh, you got the demon on?
Oh, I forgot about this. Oh boy.
A lot of cord?
Yeah.
So this was the only thing I didn't know. There's not too many videos on how to install these, really. I mean, I guess because a lot of people say they're like plug and play. I don't care nothing about this stuff. So what we are actually doing is putting in demon eye headlights, bulbs anyways, from XK Glow. Got a discount on these through them. And putting in the new Subscibe RGB sea lights that just came out, I think like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
So yeah. So that's it really. So everybody by now should know what RGB stands for.
Red, green, blue.
There you go. If you don't, then I feel bad for you, son. You got 99 problems. And that's one of them. If I can get this in there. Alright. It's supposed to. I remember.
Oh crap, there it goes.
There it goes. I already wired it up. We just gotta plug it into the DRL harness that came with the this actually. Yeah. So that way I could run these all the time and it'll cancel out the daytime running light.
Okay.
So that way, I mean, people that have Subarus know what I'm talking about. People that don't have Subarus might know what I'm talking about, but yeah, that's all it is. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, my battery's gonna have to come out too.
Ooh, that's cool. Yeah. So,
alright, let's jack it up.
Yeah, we don't have that much time, so.
Yeah. Everything's plug and play now, ladies and gentlemen.
Really?
Yeah, literally all I gotta do, I had to plug the ballast in, and then I have to plug this into the controller, and then plug this to positive and negative on the battery.
Oh, that's
and
cool.
That's it. These things, you gotta like push into these things at night. Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't break that.
No.
Okay, I guess we need to get in there and pull out the old ones. Which one is it? It's replacing? Yeah, of course it's replacing.
That one, so I gotta take this off.
Come on, dang it. That thing is on there. Oh, rest in peace, radio stations.
Every time. Just scrape it.
That's out. All you gotta really do is
I think we can like see it powered up too.
Yeah. You just twist and pop that out.
Battery off.
Well, that's gonna have to wait, dude.
Oh crap! Oh well. We would have been able to.
Let's see. What's next?
We're more than halfway done.
Really?
Huh?
What about the sea lights?
I mean, we just gotta take them out and break them open and put them in.
That's gonna take a minute.
Yeah. And then for the sea light, this comes out, and this is gonna come out because I'm not gonna use this. And they said to tuck that back there, and then I'll put the other one in.
Oh, that's cool.
Do these have to come? I don't think these have to come off.
For the bumper to come off? Yeah, no, I can't tell.
I don't think so. It's hard to tell.
Something has to come off. Yeah, these are attached.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get these.
Yep. Bumper has to come down.
Should I paint them black?
What?
The headlights.
I'm impartial to black. I would always do something darker than, because I don't like chrome for something.
In black they are. Yeah, we'll probably have to. I have to definitely leave them out of the car because I don't think they'll drive. Maybe they're like, "What you doing in your spare time?" I'm like, "You really want to know?"
Cause myself to go broke.
I said, "I can tell you." I said, "It's one of the reasons why I'm here."
So far, this entire install process is being thwarted by the fact that we can't find a 10mm socket. Isn't that a coincidence? I know we had at least 3 of them. I can't find not a single one.
I really came back from Alaska to work on my car.
Yeah. Okay. That's what we're rolling with?
Yeah, I mean, might as well. Or do we just need a whole new box?
I don't think we need a whole new box.
Okay.
Because we still got everything. We just can't find a 10mm.
Well, I don't even know where I got this from.
I just need to invest in power tools, to be honest.
Where did I get this from?
Right there.
Oh, no, right here.
Oh, yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
This one. All right, yeah. That's right. All right. Happy wife, happy life.
So good in the dark, it's not even funny.
Is that the S7 or A7?
Yep, A7S2.
A7.
Alright, so we got the, oh, good looking out. We got the
What's he going?
10mm, so we're about to head back. Alright, so we got the 10mm now, finally. So maybe we can go ahead and take these out and finish this up.
And now we can put them back.
Oh my God. Godsend.
That's a must. Oh, give me a knife or something.
Okay.
Crap, where'd the screw go? See there? Oh, that's over here.
Yeah.
That's right. There it is.
Hey.
What? I think this other one, it has to come out too. The other one does. So either way, we'd have had to pull all 3 of them.
Yeah, okay.
Garbage.
Well, at least we got that side out.
Yeah.
And it's right there. That's gonna be sick.
Yeah, man. Then when it starts changing colors. That's super bright.
Apparently, I think we just fried these. Which, that makes no sense. I don't know how that happened, but
No clue.
we're hooking them up to the battery and they're not working. But the sea light still works, so we're gonna put those in.
Let me see. What was I doing with these? What the heck was I doing? Oh, I know.
Does that go to the sea light or the?
It does.
Okay.
So basically, you're just going to you can forget about these right here. You don't even need to worry about these. But this one's gonna go over there, and you can just tuck it somewhere, and this is gonna be the negative, so you can plug this up into the negative side of the battery.
Yeah.
And these are gonna go right here. I can go ahead and put them in. Left it. I left it somewhere. You got a fuse puller?
I don't know where it is. I have one. Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so these two right here are gonna hook on to this.
Okay.
You're gonna close these around this.
All right.
But make sure it's close enough or whatever. And yeah, you close it around there, and that blue part will go inside of here. And that's how you're gonna get power for the light.
Okay.
And then these two are gonna piggyback off of that. So you'll take this 30 out, and you'll put it right in there.
Okay.
And you'll take the 15 out and you'll put it in there.
Okay.
And it's literally gonna go in just the same way. They're gonna piggyback. They're just supplying more power to it.
All right.
And they're gonna go in the same exact way.
Cool.
And then you'll be done.
I got it.
Yeah. It's easy. It's just everything's already plugged up. Really, you just gotta plug it in and then tuck everything.
Cool.
So. But all right, man.
All right.
They just need to be painted, really.
Yeah.
And then after that, should be good.
Cool.
All right, man. I appreciate it.
So I got the housing out of the WRX headlight. I'm sorry I didn't show it, but if you want to know how to do this, watch my video when I did it on my car, on the FRS. I'm more focusing on doing the lights instead of painting the housings, because this video is about the lights, not the painting. But go watch that other video if you want to see how to do that. Okay, so obviously one of the worst parts of doing these installs is really simply just waiting for the paint to dry. If it were not for that, I could probably be done right now, but the paint is still drying, so I have to wait for the paint to dry before I handle those so I don't mess up the paint job. So yeah, that's where I am now so far in the process. Okay, so the color on these is looking pretty sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and start reassembling all these pieces, putting those in, and putting all that back on. Hopefully I don't tear up the paint. Hopefully. Still a tad bit tacky, but we'll see. Alright, so I got it put back together. Got the sea light back in there, if you can see that. And all you want to do is just run the cord right out of that hole right there, and put it back together normally. I'm just gonna turn the oven back on and throw these back in to warm the adhesive back up and hopefully get a watertight seal. Alright, so there's the finished product so far. They're blacked out and the sea lights are installed. So let's see. Yeah, now all that really needs to be done is they need to be wired back up and tested. Hey man, so I wired them up to the battery, and I gotta say they look really dope. They're gonna be able to change colors too, by the way. You just have to connect to the app, which I don't have. Devon has. So yeah, those are pretty much installed. Just gotta wire them up to the car, which I can't really remember how to do for some reason. I guess probably because it's almost 3 o'clock. So yeah. Also, I don't know what we're gonna do about the actual headlight part. I think Damon might have fried it. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a night because that took way longer than it should have. And I'm pretty tired. I gotta get up early. We're gonna try to hit it again about 6:30 in the morning. Finish it up, button the car back up, and take it for a special surprise. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.